Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search recipes by cost per serving on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that click on the search, which is at the bottom of the screen, the second option. Scroll down, and then you can see that cook on a budget section. Want to save money on your groceries? Search recipes by cost per serving. So you can see under 1 USD, under 2, and so on. So let's select one and let's see. So here is the first one. Click I just want to see the ingredient list. So here you can see the ingredients, and it should be less than $3 per serving. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.